Levi Gann, aka the Viking Buddha, and I am with Swift Hypnosis. And today I am with Becca Helen Hypnotherapy.
Hi.
She's a wonderful hypnotist as well. So check her stuff out. Today I'm going to show you guys, spotlight a induction that I use during my sessions. It's the most common one I use. It's very simple. And this is just to kind of put you guys at ease to see how simple and easy hypnosis actually is. So there's no pressure when you come in. There's no worry about what hypnosis might be and how it could feel, because it's nice and easy. So are you ready, Becca?
I am, yes.
All right. So what I'm going to have her do, and you can follow along if you would like and experience it at home as well, is you simply bring your arms out in front of you like so, about 6 inches apart. Perfect. And you can bring them together. And I like to rub the hands together so that we get some energy flowing and getting that hypnosis to start building. And you can stop and grip in. Make sure your hands are squeezed tight together. Your thumbs are over the top like so. And then you're going to bring them up pretty much like you do, but just above eye level. And you want to be able to have it just above eye level so that they can start to focus on that spot. And I'm going to have you extend your fingers out like so. And then I just have the person look between that gap, making sure the hands are still pressed tight, thumbs are still crossed over. And look between that gap. And I say, in a moment, they will come together like two magnets. And I want you to focus in on that spot and only that spot. Focus, focus, focus. Feel that hypnosis starting to build. And the more I say hypnosis, the quicker it happens. And you can see her eyes are starting to blink already as they begin to tire. And you can mention that, and you'll probably hear me mention that. And then I would simply start walking the hypnosis down her arms so you can feel that hypnosis, and those fingertips start to go down to the forearms, over the biceps, over the shoulders. That's right. And she's already in. That's all it takes. Normally, I'd walk it past her eyes and make sure the hypnosis hits her eyes perfectly. And feel how heavy that feels on your eyelids, but comfortable. And she's already sinking nice and deep in. And you can allow those hands to begin to drift down only as quickly as you're willing to go even deeper into hypnosis. And she is going deeper and deeper in, and doing wonderful. She is an excellent hypnotic subject, just like anyone else out there. That's right. All the way in. And you can nod your head if you can still hear me. Of course she can, because you're always aware of what's going on when you're in hypnosis. It's a heightened state. You're not asleep. You're very aware of what's happening around you. Hypnosis was once called monoidealism, which means one idea. And it's about taking that focus from a wide field down to a very narrow field. So if I wanted to continue with her, I would help zero in on a spot. So I could say every time that you take a deep breath in, when you exhale, it allows you to sink even deeper. That's right. And I want you to focus in on the big toe on your right foot. Put all of your attention and energy right into that spot. And this is narrowing the focus even more for her, which helps her to sink even deeper. And this is as simple as it is. She's fully aware of what's happening. She knows everything I'm saying. And of course, she could stand up and walk out of this room if she wanted to right now, but why would she when she's so relaxed and happy? So hypnosis is an easy, relaxing experience for everyone to have. So on the count of 5, I'm going to count you out, and you're going to wake up feeling fully refreshed and wonderful. Happy to have helped explain what hypnosis is to everyone. Starting at 1, body becoming more aware. 2, feeling refreshed. 3, it's like fresh mineral water coming into your body. 4 and 5, eyes open all the way awake. Perfect. How was that?
Yeah.
Relaxing, good.
Yeah, really relaxing. Thank you. I could feel myself really going deeper then.
Yeah, you're a good, excellent hypnotic subject. And everyone can experience hypnosis. As they say, as long as you have a reasonable IQ of 70, I think it is, you can experience hypnosis. So it's pretty much everyone. So thank you for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you found something useful in this. And remember, hypnosis is fun. So make sure you like, subscribe, follow along, and I will talk to you guys later.
Thank you guys for watching that video. I'm Levi Gann with Swift Hypnosis, and I appreciate all the support that you guys have given me so far. If you would like to click the subscribe button to be notified when more videos get uploaded, just click it right down there. Click the like button on this video as well. I'll be doing more tools for anxiety, showing more live demos, and continuing forward trying to push quality content out to everyone. So, like, subscribe, continue following along, watch these videos here, and thank you so much. Take care.